Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a new alphabet. But before that, we will do a quick recap of all the alphabet that you have learned in previous sessions.
Capital A, Mama A. Baby A, small A for apple. Capital B, Mama B. Small b, baby B for ball. Capital C, Mama C. Baby C, small C for camera. Capital D, Mama D. Small d, baby D for dog. Capital E, Mama E. Baby E, small E for egg. Capital F, Mama F. Baby F, small f for flag. Capital G, Mama G. Baby G, small G for goat. Capital H, Mama H. Baby H, small H for hat. Capital I, Mama I. Baby I, small I for ink pot. Capital J, Mama J. Baby J, small J for jug. Capital K, Mama K. Baby K, small K for kingfisher. Capital L, Mama L. Baby L, small L for leaf. Capital M, Mama M. Small m, baby M for mat. Capital N, Mama N. Small n, baby N for net. Capital O, Mama O. Small o, baby O for octopus. Capital P, Mama P. Baby P, small P for peacock. capital Q, Mama Q. Small q, baby Q. Q for queen.
Now we will learn the new alphabet.
This is alphabet R. The sound of alphabet R is R. Capital R, Mama R. Small r, baby R. R for radio. R for rainbow. R for radish. R for rose. R for rice. R for ruler. R for rope. R for rabbit. R for ring. R for raincoat. R for rat. R for rocket. R for robot. R for refrigerator. R for ribbon. R for rug. R for rhinoceros.
Now I will give you the practice worksheet of alphabet R.
This is the worksheet of alphabet R. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a rabbit. R for rabbit. Children, you have to join the dots and color the picture of rabbit. You have to do this worksheet in your English classwork book on page number 25.
Thank you kids. Have a nice day.